Hello viewers, welcome to my new channel. My name is Emran Khan and this is the very first time I'm speaking in English. If your friends find any mistakes, let me know in the comments below. Today in this video, I'm going to share 4 effective skills which will help you a lot to improve your speaking English. But to be honest friends, I'm not teaching you or I'm not instructing you. I'm just sharing my personal experience in learning English language. I consider myself always as a learner. Let's get started with the 4 effective skills. Well, the first one is think in English. Yes, viewers, if you want to say something over any topic or any incident, then you have to develop the skill of thinking in English, because without thinking in English, it will not be possible for you to describe or to say something in English over any topic. Select some easy topics or choose some easy topics every day to make sentences on those selected topics. I suggest your friends to select easy topics because it will be very smooth for you to make sentences on those selected topics. For example, you may select your village, your hobby, your dreams, etc. to make sentences. So, whatever you do, wherever you go, just try to think in English because it will help you a lot to flourish your English capability. Well, now let's move on to the second step, that is, don't focus only grammar. Yes friends, it's true. Though grammar is essential for good English, but you need not know the entire grammatical rules to speak in English. Just think that you are a beginner and you have to speak in English by any means. So, keep going on your speaking. If you find any mistakes, skip them. Just move ahead with your dream of speaking English. Okay, friends, now the third step is don't worry in making mistakes. Yes, friends. When you will be talking with your partner, then you will have some mistakes or you may have some mistakes. Don't worry. Because man learns through mistakes. If you don't make mistakes, you can't learn. Making mistakes doesn't mean failure. So, it's your duty to speak in English and later you will have enough time to correct yourself and skip the mistakes if it is found while talking with your partner. Well, now let's move on to the final step, that is, speak in English as much as you can. Yes, viewers, it is the most important and most effective skills to flourish your English capability. Suppose you have lots of grammatical rules, you have lots of words in your brain, but you don't use them or you don't practice daily. Then it will not be possible for you to improve your English speaking. So don't hesitate how many grammatical rules you know, how many words you have in your brain. Just start speaking like I do. Yes, friends, I do not know all the grammatical rules, I do not know lots of word meaning, lots of vocabulary. Then I have started my journey in learning English language. While speaking with your partner, you will get stuck in between, yet you have to move on. Always keep in mind that you have to speak at least 30 minutes daily. If you continue in this way, I think only 30 days later you will have a little bit capability to speak in English or to describe something in English. So, speak English as much as you can. Speak with your partner or speak with yourself if you don't have any partner. Okay, friends? And some more sentences I have to deliver right now. That is, never think that your English is bad, and never feel embarrassed when you will start speaking. Keep faith in yourself that you will be a fluent speaker in English. Learning English will take time. If you think that you will learn English speaking within a short time, it is a wrong idea. Because there is no shortcut way to be successful in life. Okay, friends, I am about to finish. Before finish, I want to say, if you find the video is helpful for you, please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you.